Very nice spinning. This is stainless steel. This handle is for pulling, like this. Rotate it like this. So the water will be circulating. Place in this. Once you place this, now it is spinning. So you can clean it. This is Super Safai cleaner. SpotZero Milton. Milton is a very good company. 1 year warranty. Let us have a look. You will get one tub like this. This is very nice spinning. This is stainless steel. This handle is for pulling. Wheels are provided here. See, the wheels are provided here. This is one wheel and this is another wheel. This one is for lifting. This is, if you don't want this, you can simply remove this. See. Yes. If you want to put, you can replace it. And this is the bottom of the tub. This is the drain. After cleaning, you can drain the water. I will show you. Yes. This cap is very, very important. You will get one rotator. This will get inserted to this. 2, 1 plus 1, 2 mops, cleaning mops. One spray bottle, this will go here and you can press. Put the cleaner in this and you can spray or you can directly pour it. See here, like that. You will get 2 handles. See, this one is the extension and this is for placing this. Now I tell you how to do this. Open this one. Okay. Take this one, place it like this and place it like this fully, and after that tight it. Tight it fully. See, tight it fully. For example, I am showing. This one is extension. See. See, for long cleaning. If you remove this, so short. This will be short. When you insert this, so this will be for long cleaning, like this. Okay. This is the mop. Just reverse the mop and do it like this. Do it like this. And place it like this. After placing, just to place it like this. After placing, just this side and this side. That's all. It is ready. This is in locked position now. When you unlock this, see, like this. This one is for place it. This is for locking. Before filling the water in the tub, please check this. Otherwise, water will come out through this. Fill the water. Fill some more water. The water must be below this rotator. Once the water is filled, this is the floor cleaner. Put the floor cleaner in this. As it is fiber, So it will absorb the water immediately. See, it is instantly absorbing the water. Okay, once it is absorbed the water, rotate it like this, so the water will be circulating. Once it is over, place in this. Once you place this, now it is spinning. Once you spin it, lock this. Now it is ready. So you can clean it like this. You can clean your whole house like this. It is very nice. And for second time cleaning, dip it here and rotate it like this. After rotating, just lock it again, keep it here and unlock it and rotate it, spin it. Once you spin, lock it, unlock it, so it will be extended. Lock it and clean it. Once you clean the floor, empty the tub by simply removing this. I hope this YouTube video is useful and helpful. Let us meet again.